Hello, everyone. In this video, we will discuss programming errors. When you write your programs, you will encounter programming errors. Programming errors can be categorized into three types: syntax errors, runtime errors, and logic errors. Syntax errors are detected by the compiler. This is also called compile error. Runtime error causes your program to abort. Logical errors produce incorrect results. Let's examine all these errors in detail. Let's look at the syntax error from this example. When you compile this program, you will receive a compile errors. And this is right here. It points to this, right? Public static. Now, so how do you debug it? For the new programmers, it is difficult. So I suggest you to compare your program with the book, character by character, word by word. And you're going to see that in this line, what is wrong with public static main? All right here, this is because you miss public static void, miss this word void. Now you can now compile it and see if there's any errors remaining. So now compile this. And so something's wrong right here. And this says unclosed string literal. So the string, you have to embed the string inside the quotation marks. So this has to close this quotation mark and compile and run. Now everything is fine. So you fixed all this compile errors, and those are the syntax errors. Next, let's look at the runtime errors. When you run this program and you get this exception, so the exception says here, divided by 0. So now this is 1 divided by 0. It is not allowed for integers. And so this is 1 and 0 integers. Integer cannot be divided by 0. So that is a runtime error. And the program now stopped. So you can fix it and with 1 divided by 0.5. And so run this program. And so this is going to be fine and 2.0 now. Let's look at the logical errors. When you run this program, this is the formula to convert the Celsius degree into Fahrenheit. And this is 35 in Celsius. And what is the Fahrenheit? And here's the formula: 9 divided by 5 times 35 plus 32. The problem is right here. 9 divided by 5 in Java, it is going to be 1. It's because the result of this integer division is the integer. The fraction part is truncated. To make it correct, you have to make one of these numbers is the floating point numbers. So you change 5 to 5.0, and now rerun the program, you're going to see the degree. And before the change, the degree is in Fahrenheit is 67. And now rerun the program, and you're going to see it is 95. So this is correct. that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.